Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to simply make your Android phone run 10 times faster by disable some of the buttons on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is to head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply scroll down right here and then make sure I click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here on the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in my phone. Then you have my phone right here. Simply click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and go to fashion info. Click on fashion info. It's going to take you right here. What you need right here under build number, continue to tap it until you enter developer mode. All right, so after you successfully activate your developer mode option on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to simply head over back to phone settings. So click on your settings again. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on search right here. And what you need to do is to simply type in developer. Now you have your developer options right here. So simply click on that. I take you right here. So under developer tools right here, there are some buttons that we need to turn off right here in order to make our Android phone run 10 times faster. So what we want to do is to simply scroll down, and we have to make sure that we look for continue scroll down all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Continue to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Then we continue to scroll down. Then we continue to scroll down. Right here under the window animation scale, we have to simply click on that. Then right here, window animation scale, we need to put it off. Just like so. Then we have to simply go to transition animation scale. We click on that. We make sure we have this animation also. This animation here are the animation that always pump up each time you click on any apps or you want to run any apps on your Android phone. So we turn off the window animation scale, transition animation scale. The transition animation scale are the animation that by the time you turn on, you press any icon to on any apps on your Android phone. So it's going to display, and all of a sudden it translates. That is all of a sudden it translates. So that is for translation animation. We don't need that. What we need is to just click on any apps and it's open up straight up on our Android phone. Lastly, we need to go to animator duration scale. Click on that and make sure you turn it off also. These are three things you need to disable right now in order to make your Android phone run faster without any stress. So let's exit from here. Then we can simply head over to any of the app on our Android phone right here. I'm going to simply open up this particular Kiwi browser right here. So you can see it quickly responded without any stress. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best to simply run your Android phone 10 times faster without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.